Since last 3 years, we have been consolidating our craft activities in India from the point of view that India is a country, but multi-nation country. This is what Baba said. So there are 44 nations, and India has been made as one country comprising of these 44 nations together. Why it is 44 nations? Because different language, different lifestyle, different mode of their expression, different topographical variation in regard to climate, rainfall, and then the system of this the flow of the rivers. So if you go to India, you'll find extreme north very cold, extreme south very hot, and different languages. So we call it multi-nation country. So according to Proud, Baba divided into 44 socio-economic zones. Presently, we thought of why not we should concentrate our activities at the from the local level, means from the Samaj level, and this is what we are doing. So we have planned around 15 Proutists assemble in Delhi, and we thought we must adopt two approaches, one from the educational point of view and one from the activity, means momental point of view. From these 2 points of view, we are working in India now as regard to Proud is concerned, and it has done very good because when we start our activities from the gross level, the organization is built up. If you want to impose it from the top, that is not going to work, nowhere. So now the Margis, Proutists, and even non-Margis, they are getting themselves associated at the gross level, at the bottom level, and we are getting very good response. Some of the activists like Anna Hazare, I don't know whether you are aware of him or not. Anna Hazare, we met him 3-4 times, and he is so much impressed because it was he who raised the issue which is related to Proud, one issue that all, even including President, Prime Minister, all the top-ranked bureaucrats should be brought within the purview of legal questioning, means they are accountable by the people. So this is one of the Proud also. Nobody is superior, nobody is inferior, everybody is equal in the eyes of the law. And he raised a big movement, he started a big movement there, and whole India joined in. So when we met him, he was very much impressed. And then he called some of our Proutists to give their cadre the training in the light of Proud. Similarly, there is another person, he became the chief minister, and he is a IS officer. He resigned from the post, he joined the politics. So I personally met him, presented him the Proud, and other even Santosh Ananda met him, and he was very much impressed. So even some of the top-ranked officials, they like Ananda. Very recently, I would like to tell you, I will give the photograph, I will show you. There is one head of the Department of Social Philosophy, and she is very much interested in Proud. She invited me to give the presentation in Bhubaneswar. I was there for 3 days, and I invited 2 other our Proud activities, one from Chhattisgarh, one from Kaushal, and they were given award by that lady because he is working as a movement head also, ISO. And I introduced Dada Sambhu Sivananji when he was recently there, and she is very much impressed. In the year of 2015, she is organizing 3 days program in America, and he requested Dada Sambhu Sivananji to bring some Proutists who can present there the Proud means in relation with economy and spirituality together. So this way we are getting very good response in India. So to start with, I will like to show you, this is a, I just please move on. This is, yeah, this is the background where last year even Didi Rama was there, and people from 80 countries participated. I was invited when Didi Rama was there. She presented humanistic education, and it was well appreciated by the dignitaries. Okay, next, just move faster, okay? And this is when we Proutists have decided to meet at a place where Baba gave the Prout, and it is a Bihar, Motihari. So we assembled there, just move fast. And there, more than 300 Proutists from all the Samajas assembled there for 3 days. We discussed, we resolved at the gross level, at the Samaj level, we will do the activities. Okay, please. And there we had our symposium, and dignitaries were there, I myself, and the speaking, she is an Acharya of Ananda Marga. She represents one Samaja from Kerala. She spoke a lot, and she is publishing all the book of Ananda Marga. What happened now, the problem is, somebody says that you are not authorized to publish the book. You must have the authentication that you are authorized to publish the book. But now at the Samaj level, they are publishing the book. Say, Baba, even during his time, he called the Samaj activities meeting, and he authorizes to do the work of Prout. Why he should be accountable to you? So she is publishing all the book of Ananda Marga in her own language, that is Malayali language. And this is okay. So this is the public the press news. We had, please move on. The same Prout in Chhattisgarhi Samaj we had this last year. This year also I will show you. Please move forward. And this man, he is a double MTech. He resigned from the post. He was getting around 3,000 euro per month. He resigned. Now he is working for Prout for last 7 years, and really he is good in activities he is organizing, and there are 25 persons round the world working with him. He has established a good office in Bilaspur. 3 buildings he has occupied. There are 4-5 vehicles, and around the world, around the way he is working. And this is Raipur. We had our Prout building, so we had the inauguration. Yeah, please move on. And this is the Prout cadet training in Kausal Samajas. Please forward. And this is again Kausal Samajas. Please go ahead. And this is master unit. We are having 7 acres of land, and we are developing that Samaj. The master unit, and we are having a school, and that is the building we are having. Okay, please. Then the Utkal Samaja. This man, he is also working. He has dedicated his life. He is not married, and now he must be around 40. He is working day and night for Kausal Samaja. Okay, Utkal Samaj. Sorry, please move. This is the we had the meeting in Bhubaneswar, and this is the lady. She is the head of the department of sociology in Delhi University. She is so much interested in Prout. She presented this Prout philosophy in the board of directors in the university. Some of them warned him, look here, this is Anand Marga, this is Prout, why are you joining? She became so furious, so aggressive. You must know Prout. You all must know Sri P.R. Sarkar. What a great philosopher, what a great thinker, what a great the physiologist and Proutist he has given, and this is for the welfare of the humanity, and you are opposing. So this is there. Okay, go further. The Kanu and that Pradeep, they were awarded, we had the international gathering, and one lady from Spain, I don't know who is she was also awarded. She is doing very good work, and I will request Didi to get the information. I will give the detail of her. And then Angika Samaj, there is another socio-economic zone. We had our activity there. Yeah, please move further. And all the newspaper publish about that. Okay. Then Bhojpuri Samaj, there is another Samaj. It is in the center of India, and Baba has talked much about this Bhojpuri Samaj. Okay. And all the news published in the paper. And then Punjabi Samaj. Now, very interesting thing is Punjab has two portions. Half is in Pakistan and half is in India. Baba has given Asi Punjabi. So, how we can sentimentalize this Asi Punjabi means Punjabis living in Punjab, Pakistan, and Punjabi living. So, we are working there, and they have decided to publish the book in Punjabi language. Okay, please. This is Vidarbha Samaj. Very interesting. This Vidarbha Samaj is a part of Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, there are two Samajas. One is Syadri and one is Vidarbha. So, the Vidarbha Samaj is so actively working because the Syadri Samaj, where we have our Bombay as headquarters, they are intellectually, economically developed, and Vidarbha Samaj is poor. So, they are now revolting. They want a separate state. So, they are now working in that. Okay, please move on. Amra Bengali, last year they are also conducting and a lot of activities they are doing. Please move further. And the Proud activity, the PBI, this is a very interesting thing. PBI means Proudist Bloc India. It is registered as a political party, and Santosh Anand Dada is actively involved in that, working for that. So they organize one national seminar every year in Delhi. So this we had. Okay, in Faridabad we have our own building. The Proud activity there. Okay. These are the magazines we are publishing in Hindi, Proud in English, Rakta Manjari, and Amra Bengali also. Unfortunately, I don't have. That is Nutan Prithvi, perhaps weekly. Dada Dhyanathan is weekly, no?
Weekly,
monthly and weekly, okay. So this Nutan Prithvi, a mouthpiece of Amra Bengali, is being published. Time. Even half I have not done that. I need your grace. Okay, this is actually Samajas. We have the 44 Samajas. So now we are working intensively on the Samaj level. This year, that we had last year, and just very fast I will moving. Okay, please. This is Kausal Samaja. Look here. The Kausal Samaja, headed by Mr. Kanu Behra and his wife. Both are educated. And there are 17 electees working day and night. Yesterday I told 100 acres of land the government has given, and he is developing, they are developing it from the Protestant line. The health, then their food habit, their lifestyle, they are doing meditation, and all, even the local, what you call the arak. Arak means the locally produced wine they were consuming, they have stopped completely. Around 10 villages, and actually that had attracted the attention of the government, NGOs, international agencies, and good. Okay, and this is what they are developing. Just I want to show this, the villagers, they are developing the 100 acres of land. And it's interesting. And so, this is, they raised, they conducted the election, very recently happened there in India, parliamentary election and assembly election. They contested, they could not do the well, because just in order to attract the attention of the public that we are here is an alternative, they contested. So you see, and they are the candidate who contest the election. Please move on. And this is the same, the master unit we have in our own 7 acres land, so we are developing that. Then Kausal Samaj, the activities are also there, new humanistic education activities in the same building we are having. Gradually, we are having our bus, we are having our, and we organize every year the training there also. Yeah, please forward. And this is the spiritual gathering at the master unit. We had there very recently. So it